We're going to show you guys actually how to pass 6 clubs back and forth between 2 jugglers. Essentially, it's like running 3 over and over and over. When working with a juggling partner, it's really important to agree on a club that you're going to throw first and keep with that pattern. So Phil and I, we usually juggle and pass the first one from our left hand. So essentially what that means is once we start juggling, when this club gets back to our passing hand, which is our right hand, we're going to go ahead and then pass a single rotation towards each other, exchanging 1 club each. So I'll end up with one of his red clubs, and he'll end up with one of my clubs as well. At that point, we'll wait for the odd club to get back to our passing hand and toss it again, so that my clubs will be back on my hands, and his clubs will be back in his clubs. Got it? Now for the timing of when to start, to make sure that you're synced together, we choose to lift our hands up, and then when we come down, then we start juggling. Okay, so the blue club will be the first club to be thrown from my pattern, and Phil will throw one of his red ones. And then we'll exchange them once more. That's how it looks, guys. Okay, so we've done just 3 exchanges, and we'll give each other back our clubs. Practice this for a long time, and then once you can get better, you can then do every other clubs or every club. So let's give the every clubs a shot. Oh, I'm joking. That's not how you do it. Here's how you do it. Hey! Now, just remember, when you're throwing the clubs from your right hand to their left hand, that you're focusing on giving them the best throws, meaning that the clubs end up right about here so that they can grab them. Not reaching forward, not any farther back, but just make sure that they're right here so that they can grab them. Another thing to recognize is if you're getting the clubs too far, you're going to be giving them too short. So you always get the opposite of what you're getting. So just remember that, and then play around with it. You can do all sorts of tricks.